Sakubona, unjani? Hello and welcome. Let me teach you today how to say, yesterday I saw this or I saw that. Okay, so essentially I'm teaching you the past tense of see in Ndebele. Alright, I want you to be able to say, yesterday I saw a lion, yesterday I saw a giraffe, yesterday I saw a hippo. Okay, so in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the names of wild animals in Ndebele, and those are the words that we'll be using in this sentence to say, yesterday I saw this, yesterday I saw that. Right, so let's get into it. The first word I have for you is isilwane. Isilwane, which is the lion. Okay. So if you wanted to say that yesterday I saw a lion, you'd be like, izolo ngibone isilwane. Let's say it together. Izolo ngibone isilwane. Okay. The next animal I have for you is the elephant, which we call indlovu. Indlovu. Right? So if you wanted to say that yesterday I saw an elephant, you would be like, izolo ngibone indlovu. Izolo ngibone indlovu. Okay? Next, intundla. Intundla. This is the giraffe. Izolo ngibone intundla. Yesterday I saw a giraffe. Let's say the sentence again. Izolo ngibone intundla. That's how you say it. Okay? Moving on. What is the word for a rhino? So a rhino, we call it ubhejane. Ubhejane. So how would you say that? Yesterday I saw a rhino. Izolo ngibone ubhejane. Izolo ngibone ubhejane. So let me teach you something right there. If I want you to notice the intonation when we're talking in past tense versus when we're talking in the present tense. So if you wanted to say right now, I am seeing a rhino, you'd be like, khathesi ngibona ubhejane. Ngibona. However, izolo ngibone. Okay, so you need to say it exactly like that. Khathesi ngibona ubhejane. Izolo ngibone ubhejane. Alright, so that's how we pronounce it in Ndebele. So let me just say it right now that if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like, okay? Just hit the like button and let's continue. Right, so moving on, we have the hippo, which we call imvubu. Imvubu. How would you say yesterday I saw a hippo? Izolo ngibone imvubu. Isn't it? Izolo ngibone imvubu. Right? Let me introduce you to the word for baboon, which is indwangu. Indwangu. So how would you say that yesterday I saw a baboon? Izolo ngibone indwangu. Right? Izolo ngibone indwangu. And then the monkey, we call it inkawu. Inkawu. How would you say you saw it yesterday? Right? Izolo ngibone inkawu. Izolo ngibone inkawu. Lastly, I have for you the leopard, which we call ingwe. Ingwe. Simple, right? How can you say that you saw a leopard yesterday? Izolo ngibone ingwe. Okay, so let's do a little revision of these words before I sign off. Right, so what do we call a lion in Ndebele? A lion? Isilwane. And how can you say that I saw an elephant yesterday? Izolo ngibone indlovu. Izolo ngibone indlovu. Okay? And what do we call a hippo in Ndebele? A hippo is imvubu. What about a rhino? Ubhejane, isn't it? Ubhejane. Okay? How would you say, yesterday I saw a monkey? Izolo ngibone inkawu. Yesterday I saw a baboon. Izolo ngibone indwangu. And what about yesterday I saw a leopard? A leopard? Izolo ngibone ingwe. Okay. So let's continue to learn isiNdebele. Asikhulumeni isiNdebele. Khuluma lami in the comments. Khuluma lami in my Instagram. You know, let's keep learning the language and be able to communicate, to converse with Ndebele speaking people. That's the whole idea. Yeah, so if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.